Have you ever wondered what really happens when you press the power button on your laptop? It may seem simple, but there's a fascinating chain reaction going on inside your device. The first thing that happens is your laptop's power supply wakes up and sends electricity to the motherboard. This brings the whole system to life, just like flipping a switch on a complex machine. Now the BIOS or UEFI firmware takes control. It's a small program stored on a chip inside the motherboard. Its job? To check if all the essential hardware, like RAM, CPU, and storage, is working properly. This step is called post, power on self-test. After the post is complete, the BIOS finds the bootable drive, usually your SSD or HDD, and loads the bootloader. The bootloader's job is to start loading your operating system, like Windows. Now Windows starts waking up. The kernel, which is the heart of the operating system, is loaded into RAM. It starts managing system resources like memory, CPU, and input-output devices. Next, Windows loads hardware drivers. These are like translators between Windows and your devices like Wi-Fi, display, and keyboard. System services like TimeSync, audio, and security tools also start running in the background. And finally, after all those processes, you see your familiar login screen. From one button press to full control, it's like a digital orchestra starting up behind the scenes. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes tech breakdown, don't forget to like and subscribe.